How to remove the duplicated or overlapped objects in AutoCAD using the Overkill command. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. In this video, you will learn how to remove the duplicated or overlapped objects in AutoCAD using the Overkill command, such as lines, arcs, and polylines. Also, the Overkill command combines the objects that are partially overlapping or continuous. Type Overkill in the command line and press Enter. Select the objects you want to remove, use Ctrl-A to select everything. When comparing objects, there are certain properties that you can choose to ignore, such as color, layer, line weight, and line type. Additionally, you can set a tolerance value for the Overkill command to use in making numeric comparisons to detect object duplication. You can also choose whether to have the Overkill command ignore polyline segment width, combine overlapping objects into single objects, delete associative objects, or combine objects that have common endpoints into single objects.